In the Grazzi app, you'll find the thermal printer icon to print your document with the printer. Click on Document Print or Label Print, depending on your needs. First, explore Document Print. You can print a single document or multiple pages. Select your document, and you'll find several options to customize it. By default, the Preserve Aspect Ratio option is turned on to keep your document's original shape while fitting the printer paper. This means if you change the width, the height adjusts automatically to prevent stretching or squishing. You can turn it off to set custom sizes. But keeping it on ensures a properly scaled print. You can crop the document using the crop option. Adjust the paper's weight and height, and choose the start and end pages when printing a multi-page document. You also have the option to rotate the document by tapping here. In the top right corner, you can select the All Pages option to apply these changes to all pages. If you prefer to modify specific pages, simply uncheck it. You can also save your settings by marking the Save option if needed. Next, click on the Print Preview button to proceed. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your phone. Now, you need to connect the printer to the app via Bluetooth. To do this, click here and refresh to find the printer's name, which will appear as the MAC address. You can obtain the printer's MAC address from the self-test page. Match the MAC address and click on it to establish the connection. Additionally, you can use color effects if you're printing an image, ensuring a clear print. From here, you can adjust settings such as print copy, print density, print speed, and contrast. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Print, and the printer will print smoothly.